Hello and welcome to this Microsoft Excel 2016 for Mac course. We're going to deal with Office 365 in this course. So first of all, I just want to thank you for having a look. And secondly, I just want to show you some of the things you can expect from the course. So the first thing is a bit about me. So I've been using Microsoft Excel within an office for over 15 years. All elements of office work, so I know all the things that employers look for. So I'll be able to steer you in the right direction, making sure you have all the bases covered when it comes to knowing what you need to know. I've been a Microsoft certified trainer for 7 years, so I've been teaching Microsoft products, and in that time I've spent a lot of time teaching both private and corporate customers in both the private and public sector. So dealing with small to large companies and also dealing with early school leavers and people who are out of work, getting them ready to go back into employment. So I've also dealt with a large range of students across multiple platforms. So what I mean by that is Apple and Microsoft. So I've taught on both platforms as an Apple certified trainer and a Microsoft certified trainer. And I deal with a wide range of students. So people who are out of work to people who are using it every day. So I can deal with beginners and the advanced learner too. So the course, I designed it from the bottom up. And what I did was I took most important parts and I put them all together to make sure that you're dealing with the things you need to know. I designed it with the average office in mind. I looked at the tasks that were being carried out in the average office every day, and I created my lectures around them. So the lectures are based on things you'd be doing from a day-to-day basis. It's designed to suit someone who has never used Excel before, or someone who has used it in the past and just want to improve on the skills. Excel is very similar across all platforms, so Microsoft, Apple, they're all the same. So what they've done is they've brought them together, and that's what I want to do, show you how to use it on a Mac like you've been able to use it on a Microsoft PC previously. And it's delivered in a friendly and non-assuming way, so everything is from the bottom up. We always start at beginner level and explain each section in full detail. So the extras you'll get from doing this course. You'll get practice material to put new skills to the test. So everything you have learned, you'll be able to practice it to make sure that you actually understand what you're doing. We've new material that's going to be added on a regular basis. As I feel that there's new things need to be added to the course, I'll add it and you will have access to that. So you're going to get lifetime access from this course with the added incentive of a 30-day money-back guarantee. We have a discussion board then, so any problems you have, you can ask me and I'll get back to you. Other students can then see them, and you'll also be able to look at the discussions that I'm having with other students. So you'll be able to learn from them too. So we'll make sure we get all the problems out of the way. So thank you for taking the time to listen, and I hope to speak to you later on in one of the discussions.